Are you watching your dreams get smaller the older you get? Well, this happens to most people because most people were taught their whole life just to get a job. Like that's the only way to make money, but it's not. There's three basic ways to make money, right? You can have a job, which means you're working for other people. Okay. You can be a business owner, which means you're working for yourself. And you can also invest in like, stocks and real estate, stuff like that. So of the three types of people, who do you think are the wealthiest? Well, business owners and investors. These are the people that are living a life of complete freedom. Most people will never become wealthy or free from a job, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start your own online business with digital marketing, where you have the potential to make anywhere from $100 to $1,400 per sale, and you're going to learn how to build multiple streams of income along the way. Now, this is not a get rich quick scheme, and I'm not guaranteeing any results. Results vary. Everything's based on your effort, right? Like I've made thousands of dollars with this business, multiple five figures based on my effort. And like we have two people in our community that have made over $1 million based on their effort and the skills they've learned. And we've created over 125 six-figure income earners with this business based on the skills that they've learned and the effort that they took. Okay. So if you're new here, I'm Dan. I'm from Michigan, former Marine, former monk. And now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online. So I discovered this business after my company cut my pay. That's when I decided I didn't want to get another job. I don't like jobs, right? I really don't like jobs. And I don't like being overworked and underpaid. Okay. And what I love about this is the fact that you don't have to get on the phone with people, you don't have to cold message strangers, you don't have to bother friends and family, and you don't have to pay for ads. Okay. We teach you attraction marketing, and the business is fully automated, which allows you to make money in your sleep. So let me like break it down how an online business works, how a business in general works. Okay. There's 3 steps. The step number one is offer. So offer, system, strategy, right? The offer is the thing that you're selling. Okay. That could be a product, opportunity, or service, basically, right? And it could be a digital product or a physical product. So what do we sell? What does this business sell? Because this is a done for you digital business. Well, we sell 5 digital products, digital programs in the e-learning industry. So you can learn from them and you can resell them, and they sell for 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1400. Okay. That's how I was able to make $1,400 in my sleep because somebody went to my website and they purchased one of the $1,400 products, right? Which is what I love too, is the fact that it's high ticket. So you can make up to $1,400 per sale, which means you only need 72 customers to make 100K. And we keep 100% profit. So how do we keep 100% profit here? Because it's called master resale rights. You have the resale rights to a digital product that you can resell and earn 100% profit. Now, most business models like MLM and affiliate marketing, they split their profits with the company. We don't split profits, okay? So step number 2 is you need a system. The system is what automates your business, right? So we use a sales funnel. So what happens is somebody clicks on your link, they go to your capture page, they watch videos, they get emails from you, and then they go to your website and they buy stuff. And we teach you how to set this up, and we teach you like how to build your email list. You're going to learn that as well. So as soon as they put their email in, it triggers an automated email sequence. So they're going to get emails from you every day. So the emails are following up with people for you, right? So that's why you don't have to talk to people. Rejection-free business, you don't have to speak to people. You just attract people. The only time I ever speak to people is if I'm going live. I'll reply to comments, or I'll reply to comments in my post, or I'll reply to emails if I have any. That's the only time I ever speak to people. But most of the time, people just go to your website and they buy. Okay. And step number 3 is a strategy. Now, the strategy is basically marketing and advertising. This is the same for every business because every business has a website, or they have every business has either a digital store or a physical store, right? So you're just driving traffic, people to your store, and people buy stuff. That's how business works. So the strategy is marketing and advertising, right? If you're not marketing your business, you don't have a business. So there's 4 ways to do that, right? There's paid ads, there's warm outreach, there's cold outreach, and there's free content, right? And we teach you the free content strategies, attraction marketing. So this is what we teach, a 2-hour workday, right? All you got to do is simple things like this: post 3 pieces of content to social media. You can go live on social media, and you can post free ads. That's what we teach. Okay. So let's say you just do 30, 30, 30, 30 minutes each, right? 30 minutes posting content, 30 minutes going live, 30 minutes posting free ads. That's an hour and a half. So what do you do the rest of the time? Follow up with any messages you have, and then just go through some training, because we got a lot of training to help you market your business and to help you with your mindset. That's basically the main thing that you got to focus on: marketing and mindset. Okay. So we got a lot of training. We have daily trainings. We got live interactive millionaire mentoring in our community every Monday. So we got a lot of training to help you build your business and to build your mindset. Okay. So that's pretty much it. That's how this business works, and every online business works, right? Now I'm going to share my screen with you, and I'm going to just show you what everything looks like, right? So just go to wealthwithdan.com if you want to learn more about this business, or you want to start this business. If you don't have a business, like, this is a no-brainer. It's super beginner friendly. And we show you how to do everything step by step. Just learning how to build a business is worth it in my mind. Okay. So wealthwithdan.com, enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder. If you have any questions, reply to my emails. Okay. Now let me share my screen with you and I'll show you exactly how this business looks and how it works. And if you have any questions, let me know. Okay. So here is this done for you system that we give you. Everything's done for you. You just got to set it up. You can get this whole system set up in 1 to 2 days. So this is called a capture page, right? Somebody clicks on your link, they're going to go here, they're going to put their email in, and that's how you build your email list. The money's in the list. Okay. And then they go here and they watch this video. Okay. This is a thank you page. They watch the video. The video explains everything. The video does the selling for you. Okay. And then they'll click on the button right here and it'll take them to the website. It looks like this. Website looks something like this. Okay. So what is this? What is this? Anyways, it's a beginner friendly program to build online income, flexibility, and freedom. Okay. So what do you get here? You get a global business opportunity. You can just resell the programs. Who purchases these programs? Anybody that wants to learn digital marketing. It could be a business owner or anybody that wants to learn like how to build multiple streams of income, or anyone that just wants to, resell the programs. Okay. There's 3 types of buyers. And the people that resell the programs are just people that want to make money online. Okay. Now I generally just market to people that want to make money online because there's millions of people that want to make money online. There's people that are actively searching for ways to make money online, or there's people that are open to making money online. Okay. So you get a global business opportunity. We teach you how to build recurring income streams, recurring income, like you get paid recurring income every month. Like you have recurring bills. So we teach you how to build recurring income as well. We teach you how to monetize on social media. We teach you email marketing and affiliate marketing. We teach you how to create your own digital products. We teach UGC, brand deals, TikTok shop monetization, and how to become certified in digital marketing. Plus, we always add more. So, okay, let me just show you what the website looks like really quick. There's over 59,000 people in our community. When we launched this program back in 2024, we did $29 million in sales in 10 months, paid out to our community, collective community sales, right? And we teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. So you can launch your business, and we teach you how to get into profit mode in 7 days, right? Okay. So let me just show you more about the website. Unlock 10 income streams. And here's like testimonials you can check out. Why do people love our program? It's beginner friendly. We have a 2-hour workday. You can work anywhere. It's available in English and Spanish, and it's a global business because we have digital products. You can basically get customers in any part of the world. And there's simple steps and tools to follow. And you get to keep every dollar you make, 100% profit, up to $1,400 per sale, and learn how to attract daily paying customers. Okay. And you're not doing this alone. We have a community of over 60,000 people, and you get live interactive millionaire mentoring every Monday. And then we have all these bonus trainings, and we have a lot of trainings in our classroom you can watch. We have guest speakers, all kinds of stuff. So the community itself is great. That's where you get your motivation, your inspiration, your support. And then we have live events too. I've been to a lot of the live events. The live events are amazing. You learn a lot. You get to network with people, and we have a lot of fun at the live events. So that's great. And here's your little bio section, right? That's my picture. That's me in the Bahamas, and that's my little bio section. So you just got to put your picture here, put your bio here. Okay. Why is this perfect for you or anybody? You want to make extra income from home, but you don't know where to start. Your 9 to 5 doesn't provide financial security, and you need a better way. You want to work from anywhere, just using your phone or your laptop. Retirement is around the corner, and you need a reliable income stream. You're a busy parent looking for a flexible, family-friendly business. You've tried other opportunities, but struggle to see real results. You want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of online business. More testimonials. Okay. And then we teach you how to use AI like ChatGPT, Claude, and other tools to help you build your business to save time. And this is what sets us apart from other businesses, is the fact that we earn 100% profit. And there's a certification training that you can go through. It takes 2 hours to finish that training. You can just do a little bit of it every day. Then you're going to understand how to resell. You're going to become a licensed reseller, and you're going to understand how digital marketing works, the do's and the don'ts. And then this is a global business, like I said, available in English and Spanish. You can get customers from literally all over the world. And yeah, and this is going to show you what these programs teach. Okay, the programs teach you phase 1 is mindset and clarity. Get crystal clear on who your niche is, on your niche and who you're meant to help. Phase 2 is attraction, get attention and build awareness. What to post every day so you never feel stuck. Phase 3 is engagement, build trust and relationships. How to turn views into conversations and conversions. Simple ways to build trust without oversharing your whole life. Okay, phase 4, conversion, turn engagement into income. how to invite people to your offer with confidence, simple sales flow that works on autopilot. Phase 5, leveraging AI online made easy, how to create content in minutes, not hours. Okay. Phase 6, monetize, how to scale your business, how to add additional income streams without starting over. All right. And this video explains what's inside of the programs in a little bit more detail. And yeah, that's what we sell. 5 digital programs, 5 in English, 5 in Spanish. So it's a one-time investment if you want to enroll in these programs, and if you want to start this business and you want to resell the programs, it's a one-time investment. I also invested my hard-earned money. Okay, I'm at the highest level, the $1,400 level, but you can get at any level you want to. But I recommend the 1,400 because it's better. Like if you go all in, then you're going to take it more seriously. And if you go with the 1,400, then you unlock all the income streams, right? And you unlock all the information inside of the program, right? So unlock 10 income streams, right? 10, 5 in English, 5 in Spanish, which means you can earn 1,400, 900, 600, 300, and 100, right? Now, if you start at the 900, you can only earn at the 900 and below. Okay. But it's better to start than not to start. And if you start at the 100, you can only earn $100 commissions, and you only have access to that information, right? You can only sell at the level that you're at, but you can always upgrade later if you want to upgrade. So all you got to do is purchase one of the programs and pay your one-time website fee, and there's 0 monthly fees, which is amazing how you can build a business with no monthly fees, because there's something called job expenses in America alone. The average person spends about $3,000 to $9,000 a year on job expenses, which means like they spend money on transportation, clothes, food, stuff like that. We don't have monthly fees here. And then you get these bonuses. You get thousands of dollars worth of bonuses, like free access to our community. Communities that have millionaire mentoring like this, they can charge a lot of money. Like millionaire mentoring is not usually given away for free, but inside of our community, you get it for free. Okay. And then we also teach you how to like do like you get these other bonuses, how to like this bonus training here, and then how to monetize, how to create your own community and monetize it. How to do like your how to do faceless marketing, how to create your own products and market them. More testimonials. You can see a bunch of testimonials everywhere. And yeah, and then like frequently asked questions at the bottom. So there you go. That's pretty much the website. And this website, all you got to do to set it up after you purchase your program, you're gonna have instant access, and you just got to go here. Your programs and everything, your bonuses and trainings and everything is inside of Kajabi. You just got to go to this website setup, and it shows you how to set it up. I set up my system like in a few hours, and I did it. I set it up multiple times. So okay. So basically all you got to do is go here, and it shows you what accounts you need. You're going to need accounts like GoDaddy, okay, Square, PayPal system like that. It's going to show you how to set those accounts up, and then like, it's going to show you how to get your domain. You need a professional domain. Like my domain is wealthwithdan.com. So you need your own domain, and you need a business email address when you're doing email marketing, which is super affordable. It's not very expensive for that, but you need that for like a professional business. And then it shows you how to attach your payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Square. And then it shows you how to connect your system to your domain. And then once you're finished, it's going to look something like this, right? And then you just test it, you make sure it's working, and then you're good to go. You're open for business. You only got to set it up once, make it once, and it works forever. Okay. Just make it once, and that's it. That's it. And yeah. And then let me show you inside of our community. Okay. Here's our community, right? So we have over 60,000 people in our community. And let me show you some win section. Let me show you people like that are making money. Just show you proof that people are making money. People can post whatever they want to post, right? So like she made $1,200 over the weekend as a housewife. Now this is not magic, okay? The reason she made that money is because she drove traffic to her website, however she did it, whether it's through content or going live, whatever she did. She's driving traffic to her website. That's how she was able to make $1,200. Okay. It's not magic. Some people think making money online is magic. Nope, it's not. Okay. She made $100. Okay. So here's another win. I did my first live on TikTok. See, people can post whatever they want to post, right? And she made $1,400 because you can make anywhere from $100 to $1,400 per sale. She made $1,400 in the morning. Sale came in the morning. Boom. Another $100 for her. Okay. As you can see, $100 sale while preparing for exams. Yes. There you go. See, it's an automated business, right? So you can make money while you're sleeping or doing anything because it's automated, right? All the money I've made, all the sales I've made, it's either I'm living my life or I'm sleeping, like literally, because our website's open for us 24/7. So all you got to do is go here, introduce yourself, ask any questions you have. And then inside of our classroom, we got all these extra bonus trainings, recorded trainings. If you've missed the live mentoring calls, you can watch the replays. And we have a calendar that shows you what live events are going on. So we have these different live events. Millionaire Mentoring is every Monday. So make sure you get in before Monday. And here's a map showing you where, see, we got people from all over the world, as you can see. We got people from all over the world, which is pretty cool. And yeah, that's it. So like I said, to promote this business, we have a 2-hour workday, posting content, going live, or posting free ads. So posting free ads, like here, we got different websites. We have training for all this. You can post a free ad. So who's going to be interested in this program? Anybody that wants to make money online, basically, right? So they're going to go like whatever it is, business opportunities, entrepreneurship, whatever. You can post it in all of these. You just post an ad, you just go in, you just basically fill out this little information. It's pretty simple. It takes like a minute or less to create one of these ads. Okay. It's just copy, paste, and post. And like, for example, I'll show you what one of my ad looks like. Here's one of my ads that I posted. It looks just like this. Okay. So see, people are going to go here. They're going to see this ad. Okay. I put a little image here. They're going to read through and look at my links here. Okay. They can go here and they go to my capture page. I also have a YouTube video there and I have my community there as well. So there you go. So you can build your YouTube, you can build your social media, you can build your community and build your business with these free ads. Okay. And then here's my YouTube channel. So this is what I also use my YouTube channel to build my business. So I do long form videos, like over 10 minutes, like the one you're watching right now. And either I'm promoting my business or I'm doing marketing tips or mindset tips. Those are the kind of videos I post on my YouTube channel. And then shorts again are just mostly about business, mostly. Okay. And my lives are recorded. So I go live on TikTok. I usually put my phone on the side. I put my phone on the stand and I use my laptop and I go live on TikTok and YouTube simultaneously. And all my lives are recorded and saved, which is cool. And I create these little playlists about different topics and stuff. And then I do posts like this, which is cool. So this is like a picture, this is like a lifestyle post. Just, we actually had community events, we do community events. So I'm just sharing these, this is me hanging out with people from the community, right? Over time, we went on a cruise. Yeah. That's my friend. My friend drives a Porsche. I got to drive around in his Porsche, which is pretty amazing. Porsche, I guess it's pronounced, but I like to say Porsche, whatever. I don't care. So like there's images. I create little images using AI and stuff as well. So that's pretty much it. That's what I do. That's how I post on YouTube. And I'm also on other social media platforms. You can use whatever social media platform you want. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I basically just explained to you how this business works. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. If you want to learn more, get started, go to wealthwithdan.com. Okay. Otherwise, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video. If you know somebody that's dealing with financial stress and they're looking for legitimate ways to make money online, just share this video with them. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. God bless.